In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can link your Slack account to Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, select like here on the support icon, and then once a drop-down menu appears, click on the Admin Center. Wait for a few seconds. After that, go to Apps and Integrations in the left panel, then click on Integrations. From here, you should see the Slack option, so click right here and then click on Connect. After that, allow the Zendesk app to access your Slack account. Allow, then Configure. Click on Connect Workspace, then allow again. After that, it means you've successfully linked your Slack account to your Zendesk, allowing you to configure your Zendesk Admin Center through Slack. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.